This informational presentation about online education will cover the contributions and benefits in regards to the online school, the students attending the school, and the community where the school is located. It will convey the importance of the community supporting online education and why members of the community should advocate for online education, backed by research, studies, and related articles. First, virtual school contributions. There are many different contributions that virtual schools can make, including expertise in online learning, reducing costs of education, online professional development for teachers and others, and expanded course offerings to students and other members of the community, and college and career readiness courses. Virtual schools provide a level of expertise in online learning and technology because all students, teachers, and staff members are incorporating technology into their schooling. This can provide the community with experts of all ages to assist local businesses and organizations in using technology to its fullest extent and increasing the productivity of and reach of these businesses and organizations. Students from elementary to secondary will be able to provide services with technology to help out local business leaders. Virtual schools also may help reduce costs by providing online services such as statewide online and professional development to replace inefficient face-to-face meetings and reduce travel expenses, according to Gemin and Pape. The reduction is cost benefits the community and the school by not having to increase budgets for professional development that can be accessed from anywhere across the state. This online professional development will allow teachers to learn from others in the state and the country that they didn't have access to before, increasing their effectiveness in teaching, which will lead to better courses and better education for our students. The amount and span of online courses that can be offered to K-12 students and adult members of the community is endless with online education. Students of all ages can take courses offered from other schools and colleges when they are partnered with the local virtual school. This can lead to advanced opportunities for college and career readiness for every member of the community. College and career readiness has a renewed focus in many states. College and career readiness programs have been in place in traditional schools for many years, but now state virtual schools are taking a role in providing online courses for college-bound students and those interested in career and technical education, also known as CTE. Online college readiness tools include math remediation, ACT test prep, and college planning tools that better prepare college-bound students, according to Gemin and Pape. Now on to the student contributions. The contributions students enrolled in a virtual school can have are preparing for internships, work, and career, providing help and support with technology to other members of the community, and flexible schedules allow students to have more time in the community. Because students are taking classes online, they'll have more time to reach out to businesses and organizations to receive internships and work, preparing them for their careers after high school and college. Students will have the opportunity through their online school to receive credit for these work experiences and greatly benefit the community. Students enrolled in online education have a knack for technology. Elementary and secondary students are better able to help and teach other members of the community about technology and how to use it, which involves every member of the online school, no matter the age. This could lead to increased productivity and outreach in many businesses and organizations in the community. And as mentioned, the flexible scheduling of online education allows students to spend more time in the community, whether that be through a job, internship, or volunteer work, which applies to not only our secondary students, but our elementary students as well. Elementary students are a vital part of our volunteer outreach. On to our community contributions when we have a local online high school or online school. A few of the community contributions when there is a local online school include providing job and career opportunities to students, having a say in the curriculum being taught, and funding and advocating for funding for the online school. Community members have the opportunity to hire online students and provide on-the-job work experience because students have more flexible schedules. Instead of having high school employees that can only work after school gets out in the evenings, online schools provide the flexibility for students to work when they want and give businesses and organizations more flexibility when hiring these young leaders. Community engagement can help to generate important conversations about what students in their community should know and be able to do as a high school graduate, according to Friend. It is vital for community members to have a say in what students are learning because these students will become vital members of the community. Community members have the opportunity to provide funding and advocate for funding for the online school. According to Patrick, philanthropic or corporate partnerships can be helpful in providing the funds for full-fledged research and development capacity, as well as creating political cover necessary for sustainability. This funding will allow the online school to succeed and thrive in the community. Some examples from other states include the Florida Virtual School performance-based model was created by giving a blank page within a well-protected innovation space. It is important that adequate funding is provided for evaluation or continuous improvement so that practice can quickly be tested and refined. Local school districts whose budgets are voted upon and approved by local communities are responsible for funding transformations in the state of Vermont. These examples show what funding can do to provide the online school with the opportunity to expand their reach in a community. This progress is primarily due to deep partnerships between local school districts, nonprofits, and communities with state supports, grassroots efforts, successfully securing third-party funding, and local school districts investing their own funding to support the work. Organizations across many sectors are effectively collaborating to support and scale innovative, student-centered learning models to strive to meet the needs of every student. And when we meet the needs of every student in our community benefits. Some of the student benefits when we have an online virtual school is when the community is involved in our online education programs, it connects students with local leaders and businesses, paving the way for increased opportunities for jobs, internships, and career networking. This is important for students of all ages, K through 12, because younger students are exposed to more career opportunities, while secondary students can set up their future in the workforce. These connections provide education outside of the regular classroom. Multiple research studies show that community schools work, including a recent Child Trends meta-analysis that found that community schools support young people's needs, reduce grade retention and dropout rates, and increase attendance, math achievement, and grade point averages, according to Blank and Villarreal. These benefits apply to students' academics life, and there are also benefits in other aspects of a student's life when communities are involved in their education, including social and emotional development. The success of young people depends not just on their academic achievement, but on their cognitive, social, emotional, physical, and ethical growth, as well as their civic participation. By having an online virtual school in the community, we will be able to benefit students in all aspects of their lives, not just in academics. There are also many ways that the community benefits by being involved in online education, including lowering the cost of education, finding future employees, and expanding offerings in college and career readiness courses. Lipp stated that online learning has the potential to improve productivity and lower the cost of education, reducing the burden on taxpayers. By not having a school building up and running and instead focusing on online education from students and teachers' homes, local taxes could be reduced, greatly benefiting community members. Having students more available to complete job and internship hours, communities are able to find and mold future employees, exposing both elementary and secondary students to various careers and lines of work they may not have experienced otherwise. In community schools, partnerships with businesses, higher education institutions, and healthcare systems and hospitals offer students career-focused learning experiences, apprenticeships, and internships, according to Blank and Villarreal. Having a local virtual school expands the course offerings for K through 12 students and other members of the community when it comes to college and career readiness courses. These courses allow all members of the community to prepare for a career they want and can benefit the community. Many virtual schools have expanded offerings in college and career readiness courses and tools addressing state and local concerns over preparing students for life after high school. These courses also apply to older members of the community who are looking to expand their career opportunities or change careers. One example is that of Idaho Digital Learning. Idaho Digital Learning, in collaboration with Idaho Career and Technical Education, has developed SkillStack, a badging micro-certification platform that allows educators to validate the skills in which their students demonstrate proficiency, leading to industry-relevant badges. The goals are to document, assess, and validate student skills utilizing industry and disciplinary defined standards to create a wider talent pool for Idaho employers and to assist with the articulation of credit from secondary career and technical education programs into Idaho's colleges and universities. In conclusion, having a local virtual school will benefit the community and students in many ways through the many contributions provided by the school, the students, and the community as outlined in this presentation. If you're looking for more information, here are the references used in this presentation. Thank you very much.